Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to another live session. I'm currently in a trade on NAS. I first took a loss, and now I'm in this one right here. I took the trade. I took the trade a couple minutes before the New York session opened. So the New York session literally just opened, right? And I got it set up perfectly at 11:52, which is 7:52 a.m. New York time. So I took the trade, came to stop loss. And I got another confirmation and I took the trade again. Okay. So the idea behind it is NAS100 found just found a 4-hour supply right here. Okay. So now once we find a supply, we have to find a demand next. So that's the idea behind it. I'm I'm trying to drive price to the next possible demand. So let's see how it goes on NAS100 and also on EURUSD. I took a trade this London session right here, which is the trade that pushed here, right? You'll be thinking I made some profits, but no, I reduced my risk and price stopped me out. So right here, I was stopped out literally by a hair, you see. I was stopped out literally by this one. But yes, with all the trades I took before the New York session open, it was a minimal risk. Okay, so yes, I don't really I'm not really thinking about it that much. So I'm waiting to anticipate the move this New York session presents. So right now that I'm in a trade, right here that the New York session has opened, I'm looking forward to this trade, finding the supply. Sorry, finding the demand next. If you don't find this demand and this stop loss gets triggered, then maybe we'll use this 1 minute true area of supply to then give a move to find demand. So that's it for NAS100 and also on EURUSD. I'm looking to take some bites. Why? Because price filled this H1 demand right here. And now the next area of supply is this daily supply right here. So I'm waiting for price to pull back into my area of interest, get a confirmation, and then take my trade and possibly take profits right here. Or I'll just risk it and leave it to play to the daily supply. So that's what I'm expecting on EURUSD as well. So yes, let's see how both trades goes. Let's patiently wait. So I'm gonna trade on NAS100 right now. My entry was here. So I've taken a loss right here. So let's see how this one plays. Let me screen record this very first. Now the target for this trade is this 15 minutes right here. Okay. Because of how price is moving, I took a loss right here. I took the entry here and I took the loss with this candlestick. So this one is the one playing. So let's see how it goes. And also EURUSD still not looking good, but let's wait. So I'll break even as soon as price touches this 15 minutes right here. Okay. So it's either we'll break past this 15 minutes and go up. The bias has changed, or it's either this 15 minutes will give the confirmation for the reversal. So let's see how this one goes. So price just touched. I'm recording, price just touched. I'm about to break even. I don't want price to come and stop me again. So I'm breaking even right here. So now, let's see how this trade goes. It's either I get stopped out, or price moves into my direction. The reason I'm doing this is because this is the, let me go to the 15-minute time frame. So this was the true area of supply right here, right? and price failed to give the move, created a demand, and price filled the demand, and that demand is what gave, or is what is giving this move right now into this 15-minute supply right here. All right. So the next area is this area right here. So it's either this 15 minutes will cancel the upside move, invalidate the demand, and then give us a bearish move, or this move will keep on going. So yes, I'm holding on to my trade. Let's see how it plays. I should have actually stopped. I should have actually exited. So yes, price just stopped me out. Wow, this is insane. Yes. So yes, price just stopped me out. We just invalidated this demand right here. Today has been a very wild day for me. Let me delete this fair value gaps. So this is not my true area. So let's see what price gives us from this area right here. Let's see how this move will go. So on NAS100, price just found a demand on the 15-minute time frame. So we are still bullish. So I'm waiting for price to invalidate this supply right here. Give me a confirmation. And I'll look for my buys to this 15-minute supply right here. So let's see how it goes. EURUSD also, we need a retracement into this area. So let's see how that one also plays out. So I'm getting ready to take a trade here on NAS100. I want to see how this candlestick closes. Wow. What is this? Oh, bro. Bro. This closure was very bad. Let me see. So I didn't take it. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a better confirmation. I want to see how this candlestick closes as well. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please be good, please be good, please be good, please be good. No, 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 no. No, bro. No, so I'm not taking it. I'm not taking this entry right here. I'm still waiting for a better confirmation. Maybe this candlestick can be a candlestick. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Not this candlestick. I don't think it's going to be this candlestick also. Come on, come on. I'm in. I'm in from here. Let me screen record. I'm in from here. I got my entry from here. Right here. So now, let's see how this trade goes. My next area is this area. That's my next area of supply. That's where I'm expecting price to go next. So let's see how this one plays out. EURUSD approaching my area of interest. So let's see how these two plays out. I'm actually, you can hear it from how I'm speaking, my voice. There's some kind of breakages in it. Emotions is getting to me, but I'm still following my edge. I'm still trading. So let's see how it goes. So I just got stopped out on NAS100. Depending on how this candlestick closes, I might re-enter. If this candlestick invalidates or closes below this fair value gap, I'm not taking an entry again. But if it doesn't, I'm taking another entry. Let's see how it goes. Yes, so I'm not taking a buy on NAS again. Let's wait and see how NAS builds up again. EURUSD also at the area of interest. I'm waiting for a confirmation to then buy. So let's wait and see how both goes. So EURUSD is setting me up. EURUSD setting me up right here. So I'm waiting for a confirmation to then take this entry from here. So let's see how it goes with EURUSD also. So I'm in a trade on EU. I'm already getting tired. I'm in a trade on EU right now. My entry was at I actually got my entry here, right at the low. I got my entry here. So now let's see how EURUSD plays out. Target for EURUSD is this daily supply right here. You see, it's long though. Yeah, it's a very long way, but let's see how it goes. I also keep analyzing to see if I have any closest supply right there. So also waiting on NAS. Let's see how both plays out. Now I'm going to break even on EURUSD right now. Why? Because price has found a 50-minute supply. So I just broke even on EURUSD. So let's see how EURUSD also goes. This supply isn't a high probability supply. That's why I've broke even and has not taken profit. I haven't taken profit. So I want to see how EURUSD plays from here. If this supply gets invalidated, then nothing is stopping price to this high. And when I'm talking about the true area of supply, nothing is stopping price to this daily supply. So let's see how EURUSD also plays from here. So NAS100 just found demand, so I'm deleting my supply. And I'm waiting for confirmation on or inside this demand. I'm looking for this invalidation right here to then give me a confirmation to go up. So let's see how this one also plays out. EURUSD, I just brought my risk back to where it was, to where my stop loss is supposed to be. Yes, it's either it goes into profit or I lose it. All right. If I break even, I have this newly created demand right here. If I break even and price uses this demand to continue the move, it will be my loss. So I'm deciding to accept the risk and let the trade play out. So let's see how both trades play out. This is why I break even on EURUSD. This is why I break even on EURUSD. Why? Because price just created this new demand right here. And why do I want to break even? Again, reason being that price just met this 5-minute supply. Okay, and it's currently trying to invalidate it. We also have this 5-minute supply right here. All right. So what am I going to do? I'm going to break even. If these 5-minute supplies has volume to come back, then I'll be out. All right. But the actual target is this daily supply. So let's see how it plays out. Price wasn't able to invalidate this 5-minute supply. I'm still holding at break even. So what's the only demand that can hold price right now to continue the move is this 1-minute demand here. So I'll be expecting a pullback into this 1-minute demand either from any of these areas to come here to then continue. Else, if price gets here and doesn't continue and breaks this, then I'll be stopped out. I'm not looking at the money side of the trade. I'm not looking at my profits. I'm just letting my edge play out. So yes, that's what I'm actually doing. I'm actually in profits, right? A very good profits, but I have to let my edge play out. So let's see how this trade goes. NAS100 also building up. Let's see how that also goes. So EU about to invalidate. EU already invalidated this 15 minutes supply. No, it's about to invalidate it. Sorry. I'm waiting for this candle to close above this area right here on the 5-minute time frame also. My network is bad. Look at and NAS100. NAS100 still hasn't given a setup yet. And on the 5-minute time frame, we're about to invalidate both these supplies right here. I hope they both get invalidated. When we look at the 1-minute time frame also, 1-minute time frame, when price found the 5 minutes, this 5 minutes demand right here, supply right here, no demand was found. Okay, so this is the demand actually that was to be found to continue the move. But price didn't, and price broke above this high right here, creating this demand right here. So this is going to be the demand. I'm looking forward to hold the move. If not, right now I haven't break even yet, so I'm going to break even just because we've created two different demand in the move. So let's see how this move goes. Let's see how NAS100 also goes. So price has also created this 5 minutes demand right here. This 5 minutes right here. So maybe price can pull back to find this demand and then continue on the move. So yes, I don't know what will happen, but I'm anticipating for the pullback into this area. Whatever price gives, I'm still in this trade, hoping price finds this daily supply by the end of the day. So let's see how it goes. So I just closed partial on EURUSD right here. Yeah, I just closed partial. I'll show the P&L at the end of the trade. But I closed partial right here. So now I can go risk free or I can risk the rest on this trade. So let's see how this trade plays out on EURUSD. Nasdaq also doing nothing, still waiting. Let's see how it plays out. I'm exhausted. So I'm in a trade right now on NAS100. I got a perfect entry from here. And now my target or TP is this 15-minute supply. If only price will go in that direction. I'm tired, guys. I'm really tired. So yes, this will be my last trade because it's currently 3:27 my time. Almost 12 New York time. And EURUSD also just been dancing around. I'm still holding the partial. So yeah, let's see how both goes. So I just got stopped out on NAS. I'm very tired, and also EURUSD back at the entry. So yeah, this is how today went. I'm going to hold EURUSD to whenever either hit stop loss or take profit. So I'm done trading for today. And here's my P&L. Here's my P&L for today. So I lost 20 bucks today. If EURUSD closes as a loss, I've lost like 24, 25 bucks today. So yes, that's how it is. I come back tomorrow, trade the same way, and yeah. So thank you all for watching my video once again. I'll be very happy if you like, you subscribe, and you leave a comment. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful day. Peace out, and see you tomorrow.